Hello everyone, this is Zeeshan Shah and welcome to Zinteractive. In today's lesson, we will learn about the steam tool. Now, steam tools allow you to increase or decrease the wrinkles on your garment. Now, how it works? It works on the 2D window, okay, and it is located on the 2D window at this side. Now, in order to work with it, you just have to click on it. As soon you will do that, you will see there is a mesh around your garment. Now here we have shrinkage. If we will reduce the shrinkage, you will notice the color of your steam will become blue. Blue means to reduce the wrinkles. So if I will go completely to the zero, okay, sorry, minus 100, and start steaming. So you will notice wherever you have the wrinkles, it will start reducing. Okay, now this is minus 100, which means it is too harsh. It's very, very hard. So let's undo this. And instead of minus 100, let's keep it something like minus 13 or maybe minus 5. And then start steaming this area. And you can see I have steamed this area, and in the 3D window, you can see there is no wrinkle anymore there. Okay. This is how you can reduce the wrinkles using the steam, okay, with negative value with the blue color. Now, what I can do is that I can reduce the wrinkle, but gradually with a slope, or you can say with a, like smoothly, not hard, abruptly. So I can control with the hardness. If I will increase the hardness, so what will happen? It will look obvious like this. Okay, you can see. Because there is no smooth, gradual, like a wrinkle removed from there. Okay, if I will undo that and reduce the hardness to very low value and then start, so you can see that it is smoothly removing the wrinkles. So this is a good way to remove the wrinkles or add the wrinkles. Okay, with a low number of, or with a lower hardness. Now, if I will go higher, so you can see it is turning orange. So instead of minus 5, let's choose 5. And then at this stage, if I will click on it, you can see at this stage, I don't have a lot of wrinkles. So if I will paint here with the steaming, you can see the wrinkles are popping up. Okay. And especially here on the top, if I will add this here, you can see there is wrinkle coming up. And as much you want, keep on painting over it. But if I will go really high, it might become red, and then it can make some weird effects. So always keep the values lower, and as much you want, keep on adding the wrinkles to the part that you want. Okay, now suppose at the end I have this part where I don't want the wrinkles, so I can press minus 5. I could select minus 5 and start painting this side. So you can see that smoothly the wrinkles are gone. Okay, it's clear. So this is how it works, but let me undo everything here because I don't want any wrinkles or anything on my t-shirt on the bottom part. Okay, maybe this I wanted to remove it, so I can remove it from here. Okay, good. And I wanted to add some wrinkles here on the front side here. What I can do is that I can go to my settings, 5. Okay. And add a bit here. Okay. That's all. Let's close it. Simulate it. And here we go. If I will pull it, it will not affect those wrinkles. Okay, it will not add or remove the wrinkles. That's the beauty of it. So I hope you have enjoyed this lesson and you might use this Steam tool more often, because I really use it a lot of time and I really like this tool. So if you guys like my videos and have not subscribed to my channel yet, so please do it and hit the bell icon as well. To support my channel, please watch my videos online and do not download them. Otherwise, I won't get any benefit out of it, which will demotivate me to make further videos. So please champion my channel and like them if you find them useful. So take care, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Zinteractive, your own training institute.